Welcome to the final video of the unit. We're actually going to be using Excel in this portion of our unit. I was asked by the physics department to include this because you will be definitely using this information in physics. So make sure you understand it if you're taking physics next semester or later on in your program. So we're going to try to find the line of best fit in Excel. I have the instructions written up here and I will refer back to it as we go. But this is going to be one of the types of problems that you're going to run into in your homework assignment and in your student-led example. The following data is from Consumer Digest's reference to the list price x coordinates and best price y coordinates for the new GMC pickup. Use the steps above these guys to find the line of best fit and provide the equation of that line. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this whole table, make sure we get the whole thing. If you look at some of the ones that I'm going to have you do, this is continued on. You have to include these in addition to these in your line. If I have an Excel worksheet open, I'm just copying and pasting it in there. It copies and pastes really nicely. Make sure when you have that second table, you copy it directly below, or it's not going to work out the way you need it to. All right, so what do? Now we have all of this stuff in Excel. Let's look at our steps. Select the data you wish to create a chart with in Excel. All right, so what does that mean? It means you take it, you click on it, and you make sure you click and drag so everything is selected. So I'll click. I still have it clicked, and I'm dragging my mouse until everything I need is selected. Now click on the Insert tab. So Insert tab, okay. In the Charts area, click the Scatter Plot dropdown and choose the first option. So the Scatter Plot dropdown, that's this one that has all the little yellow and blue dots on it. Click on the dropdown and just choose the first one. That's it. Select the scatter chart you created and click the Chart Design tab. So we'll click this, click the Chart Design tab, okay? Click the Add Chart Element dropdown and select Trend Line Linear. So the Add Chart Element, click that down to Trend Line Linear because we're only working with linear stuff in here. That may not be the case in physics, but for here, we're definitely just looking at linear. All right, double click the trend line. So you see that little dotted line there? You just double click it. And you get this little pop up on the side. Let's see, what do we do next? In the opening format trend line pane, check the display equation on chart option. Let's see here, display equation on chart. There it is. That's our equation. We have y equals our slope plus our y-intercept. If this went all the way down here, our y-intercept would be right around the 0 mark, maybe closer to 1/2. That's the equation of our line of best fit. If we looked at this closer, let's make this bigger, you can see that not every point touches the line, but this is the line such that every point is equally distant from the line in terms of average. So the average distance between the point and the line is as low as it can be with this particular line. That is called the line of best fit. It's the line that most closely touches every point on your chart. That is the line of best fit in Excel. So you have 2 problems to work on here, and there are some problems in your homework that you'll have to learn how to do this with as well. So good luck to you. I hope this helps. If you have a different version of Excel and my steps don't work perfectly for you, go ahead and just Google how to add a trend line to your chart, and you should be able to find something on YouTube. If you have any issues, go ahead and contact your instructor. They should be able to help you with this as well. Good luck and have the best of luck on your Unit 3 exam.